Greetings, everyone. Mike Markuson here with Internet Marketing News.co.business. How you doing? I just want to give a few words about the super sales machine from Aaron Denker. Wow! People, I've been around internet marketing since 2010, so 16 years. This system is amazing. What Aaron gives for the small price is just incredible. And he sets it up so quick. In the past, to set up one little website would take you weeks to get everything all figured out. Aaron, you just give him a few details and he makes it happen. He makes it happen. I'm telling you, you got to check this out. Give it a serious thought to getting this as a side business, as a side hustle, as your main hustle, whatever. He sets it all up, and then you bring traffic to it. All the sales pages are there, the emails are there, everything's all there. You hook it up to your systems and bammo. Bammo! I'm telling you. Seriously, take a look at what Aaron offers, the super sales machine. This is incredible. Incredible. You get so much for so little. Wow. Wow. Aaron, you've done it again. Oh, I can't wait to see what you got next. It's incredible. It's incredible what you've done. So, I just want to say, well done. Check this out. Wow, I'm excited for the future. Great.